What's up YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we are unboxing this latest haul that I have from StockX. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a Sean Wotherspoon limited edition cap, an Under Armour Hover Sonic, and a Pokemon Fila limited edition sneaker the moment we hit 15,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram. So as you guys know, in my previous videos, I did a guide on how you can buy from StockX. I even did a guide on how you can sell to StockX while you are here in the Philippines, both of which I will link down below in the information section of this video. Now for this particular vlog, what I wanted to do is just to share with you guys my two latest pickups from StockX, which arrived I think last week. And the reason these two pickups are interesting is because I bid really low for them, and for some reason the sellers wanted to just sell them even at such a really great price. So this video will be very straightforward. It will really be just unboxings, checking out first impressions of both shoes that I picked up. One shoe I got for $80, of course, plus shipping, and the other shoe I got for a little over $120, I think, dollars plus shipping. Let's start with this shoe. I really have no idea which one this is, so let's just go ahead and open it. Just to give you guys a quick background, I've been eyeing the Nike Zoom Fly for quite a while now, mainly because I wanted to try it out. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, but I didn't want any of the regular colorways. Now, when I was going through StockX, one colorway that really caught my eye was the Zoom Fly NYC version. So that's what I went out and bidded on. I think they were initially selling it for like $160, $170. I bid $120 and I was able to get it. Let's check it out. So as usual, you have the StockX card, which also asks you to promote StockX. It now has, whoa, I have a StockX sticker that I can put on my laptop. And here, wow, this shoe looks really nice. Wow. Holy, wow, okay, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. Let me just, even comes with a bright green dust bag. So let's go over the shoe. Let's first take a look at the dust bag. So again, comes with that, wow, Nike Racing, really bright green, almost neon green dust bag that comes with the shoe or comes in the box. And as usual, when you buy with StockX, you have the StockX seal of authentication, verified authentic here. Let's do some initial impressions. First, I did not expect this shoe to be see-through. Okay, when I first saw it on StockX, it looked like some sort of white, black, sleek running shoe. It's literally, let me just take it out so you guys can see. It's literally see-through. I mean, you see my fingers there. So okay, so this is definitely shoes that you wear with socks, and maybe you can change it up a bit by wearing funky socks because obviously it will peek out when you wear it. Wow, I seriously did not expect for the shoes to be see-through. But anyway, not that I have any regrets, it looks so much more fun now, and I'm trying to figure out what are the fun ways to be able to wear the shoe. But anyway, so what's so special about the shoe? Again, that's the see-through upper, and you have that really thick foam. And that, I think, is what makes the shoe special when it comes to running. It's super thick. I mean, seriously, that could probably add like at least an inch or two to your height. And then apart from that, at the back, we have that really nice statement that says, don't sleep, in numbers or like calculator talk, which is just written there on both strips of the back of the shoe. So again, lastly, it also has NYC here at the back. So again, there you have it. This is the first cop that I had. This is the Nike Zoom Fly NYC edition. Got it for $120 plus shipping, $40, so $160. Adds up to around 8,000 pesos. Now, is that a good price for it? The Zoom Fly general release models sell for around 7,500, 7,600 pesos locally. Adding the additional 500 for the special edition was something that I was willing to do. So there you go, the first shoe. Watch out for the review of this one next week. And I'm probably going to compare it with the Nike Epic React and a bunch of other running shoes that I have in my collection. Before I put it back to the box, I really did not expect it to be see-through. Now that we know that's the Zoom Fly, I really know already what this one is. This is the Jordan 1 Cool Gray Mid, and this one I got for $80, 4,000 pesos plus another $40 shipping, so that comes out to around 6,000 pesos, so thereabouts. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Have that familiar Jumpman Jordan box with the gold logo here, and then that generic black box. So let's just go ahead and open it. So as usual, you have the StockX card, you have the StockX sticker, you have the receipt, you have the 23 wrapper. Oh wow. And here you guys go. This looks really sick. Wow. There's the StockX verified tag, authentic tag. This is the Jordan 1 cool gray in mid. Wow, this is really nice. And then you have the Air Jordan wing logo in white. So again, as you guys can see, it's dominantly gray. The laces are gray, midsole is white, and then the bottom is a lighter shade of gray. And wow, it just looks so cool. Okay, you're probably thinking, why do I buy non-hype shoes? Or why do I buy shoes like this one and the Zoom Fly? Mainly because, like what I said, if the shoe speaks to you, the shoe design is something that you really want, then why not go out and buy it? You know, it doesn't have to be always like the hype kind of shoes. Besides, the time will come when all the hype shoes will be general release and everybody will have them, and the older version shoes that are retros will be the one that will be in demand. Put that on paper. I really believe that will happen. But anyway, so again, this is my second cop from StockX for this particular haul. This is the Air Jordan 1 mid cool gray, and I'm really happy with this pickup. I did not expect it to look this good. I mean, seriously, wow, I'm impressed. So again, $80, 4,000 plus shipping, around 6,000 pesos total. Not bad for a brand new pair of Jordan 1s with a really sick colorway. Something's missing. I really feel that this vlog wouldn't be complete with some on-feet footage, so let's do that. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, because we have a bunch more of giveaways coming your way soon, especially after we hit the 15,000 mark. Peace. God bless.